All right, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you very quickly how you can set up automated indexing for your posts. Now you're probably, like many people, trying to create a tremendous amount of content using AI, but the problem is a lot of those posts are not showing up in Google. So that is a huge problem, and you could either pay for this service or you could manually submit every single URL to the Google Web Console, which is a huge pain. This is much faster, and most people actually do not know that this exists. So you're going to go inside your WordPress website and you're going to go to plugins. And what we're going to do is we're going to search for two plugins. Number one, we're going to find the RankMath plugin. So what you're going to do is you're going to install this. And just like usual, like any other plugins, we activate it. And we're going to find one more plugin. Now this plugin, we go back up here and we're going to search for instant indexing. So you'll see it right here. It is by RankMath as well. The two plugins work together. So make sure you install that as well and activate it. Now when you go over here, there's a couple of things that you'll need to do. And when you find your RankMath down here, you can click on that and then it'll ask you to set up your free account. This is really simple. You can go through a few steps here. I don't actually connect the account. You can skip through that. And what we want to do is, just for convenience, let's just go ahead and click on the easy and then start the wizard. So as we go through this, we can import data from Yoast. I don't really have much, but we can go ahead and skip that for now. We're going to set it up just as a personal blog. We're going to use everything that's in here just for speed purposes. So we can save and continue. And we have done everything, so save and continue. Okay, so now it says the site is ready. We're going to return to the dashboard. And over here, we want to make sure that the instant indexing is actually toggled on. So when we go over here to RankMath and we scroll down, we should see this where it says instant indexing. Okay, so we can submit URLs, okay, with the instant indexing, but we do need to configure the API. So we're going to go up here. You could see there's a couple of things we're going to need to do, which is get this JSON key here, and also we want to select what things we want to submit to Google. So I'm just going to select post. I'm going to save it for now, but there is a step-by-step setup guide. It is right here linked up. So what you're going to take you to do is to see this page right here, and what it's going to do is it's going to take you through all of these steps. Make sure you check out the warning here. I know that it does say this, but I've never seen any problems with this in terms of issues with the website. So it does take you through step by step, which can be a little bit overwhelming with this, but there is a video that I'm going to link you to down in the comments that will literally walk you through this process step by step. It is really, really easy. Now, once you do that, you'll go back in here and you get that JSON key and so forth, and then put everything in here, upload it, and then save changes. Then what it's going to do is it's going to have your information here, and you'll be able to see every time you post a new blog post, it will immediately submit this to Google so that you do not have to manually do it every single post. Now, I can't highlight the importance of this. The main issue that people are having right now is getting their blog posts indexed. This will do it completely automated, so you don't even have to lift a finger. So I'll include the links below. You saw the plugins to use here. I'll include the link to the RankMath article as well as the video that actually shows you step-by-step how to do this. So get started and get your processes automated. If you like this video, want to see more of these, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. If you like this video, you want more of this kind of content, and of course, subscribe to the channel so you get access to more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other next time.